Most iPhone users, regardless of the model of their devices, usually prefer to use iMessage when communicating instead of typical SMS or MMS messages. However, it seems like some users are having issues with it. In this video, we will show you how to fix iMessage that's not working on iPhone 14 Pro. But before we move on, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Now here are the things you should do to fix an iPhone with iMessage issues. First solution, check the servers. Before anything else, you have to make sure that this problem isn't due to a server issue, because if it is, then you really don't need to do anything to fix the problem. Apple will be the one to solve the issue. Most of the time, server-related problems get fixed within an hour, and if that's the case here, all you have to do is wait until the issue is fixed. To check the servers, you just have to visit the Apple System Status page and then look for iMessage. Just try to see if it's red or green, because if its marker is red, then it's a server problem. Find the link to Apple System Status in the description below. Second solution, force restart your iPhone. After checking the servers and you found no issues with them, try to resend your iMessage to see if it goes through. There are times when a message doesn't go through the first time you send it due to a glitch. But after resending it a few times and the problem persists, then you have to refresh your iPhone's memory by doing the forced restart. To do so, press and quickly release the volume up button, and then do the same to the volume down button. Immediate after releasing the volume down button, press and hold the side key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your iPhone 14 Pro to shut down and power back up. When the Apple logo appears on the screen, release the power button and allow your device to continue the boot process. Once your iPhone finishes the restart, try sending an iMessage to see if it works this time. If still not, then move on to the next solution. Third solution, check your internet connection. A fast and stable internet connection is a must if you're using the iMessage service on your iPhone. So after doing the first two solutions and the problem continues, then you have to make sure your connection is stable. Here's what you should do. Launch a web browser like Safari and log on to speedtest.net. Once the page loads, tap Go to begin the test. When the results are shown, compare them to your current plan, and if the results are way too low, then it means you're experiencing slow connection problems. One way to fix connection issues is by rebooting the router or by reconnecting to the network. Fourth solution, reset the network settings. Assuming that you are currently experiencing iMessage issues due to network-related problems, you should try resolving them by resetting the network settings on your iPhone. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, find and tap the Settings app. Find and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset at the bottom of the screen to reveal all the other options. Tap Reset Network Settings and enter your passcode if prompted. Confirm network settings reset by tapping Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone 14 Pro will reboot once the network reset is finished, so wait until the restart is complete, and then try to see if the problem is fixed. Fifth solution, check iMessage settings. If the problem continues to bug you even after doing the previous solutions, then you have to check the settings of the iMessage service on your phone. You can try disabling the service for a few seconds, and then activate iMessage again to force your iPhone to reconnect to the Apple servers. Here's how you do that. Tap Settings from the home screen. Scroll down to Find and then tap Messages. Tap the switch next to iMessage to disable it, and after a few seconds tap on it again. Once iMessage is re-enabled, tap on Send and Receive underneath it. Make sure that you've selected your phone number and the relevant email address or Apple ID that you want to receive, and reply to iMessages with. After doing that, launch the Messages app and try sending an iMessage. The problem should be fixed now. We hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful one way or the other. Have a great day.